kids, good morning. How are you today? I hope that you're doing great today. Okay, this morning I will be your teacher again. My name is Teacher Andrea. Teacher Andrea. Very good. Okay, our subject for today is phonics. Again, phonics. And our lesson for today is sound of letter S. Sound of letter S. Very good. But before that, do you want to sing a song? Okay, here we go.
Can you make the letter sound? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter S. This is a capital S. This is a lowercase s. You know how the S looks now. Let's make the letter S sound. Yes! S is for snake. S is for summer. S is for saxophone. And S is for sock. S is for swing. S is for sister. You know some S words now. Let's make the letter S sound. Your turn. S.
Okay, good job. Did you enjoy it? Very good. Okay, our vocabulary for today is wow. What letter is this? Letter S. Again, please. Letter S. One more time. Letter S. Good job. Okay, what letter is this again? Letter S. Again, please. Letter S. One more time. Letter S. Very good. What is the sound of letter S? Okay. One more time. Again, please. Very good. You did it. Okay, good job. Okay. S is for, what is this? A sun. Very good. S is for sun. Again, please. S is for sun. Okay, good job. The word sun here starts with the letter S. Okay, what is the sound of letter S? Very good. Okay, S is for, what is this? Star. Again, please. S is for star. One more time. S is for star. Okay, the word star here starts with the letter S. Very good. What is the sound of letter S again? Good job. Okay, S is for, what fruit is this? Strawberry. Again, please. S is for strawberry. Again, please. S is for strawberry. Very good. And the word strawberry here starts with the letter S. Very good. What is the sound of letter S again? Very good. Good job, kids. Okay, this time we will have a review. Okay, are you ready? Good job. Okay, what letter is this again? Letter S. Again, please, letter S. One more time, letter S. Very good. What is the sound of letter S? One more time. What is the sound of letter S? Again, please. Very good. Okay, S is for, what is this again? Sun. Very good. S is for sun. Again, please. S is for sun. Very good. S is for, what is this again? Star. Again, S is for star. Again, please. S is for star. Good job. Okay, S is for, what fruit is this again? Strawberry. Again, please. S is for strawberry. One more time. S is for strawberry. Very good. What is the sound of letter S again? Okay, one more time. Very good, kids. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.
Much fun. We all had so much fun. And now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See